You better hurry.
Warning. Surveillance and detection systems inactive. Remaining stabilization team members report containment status, please. Contact has moved to Block D8. Warning. Sterilizers and containment fields may be contacted. All systems off. And reverse immediately.
I'm picking up more incoming soldiers. See if there's some more turrets nearby. Quick, get these set up. I'm seeing soldiers in all directions. Here they come. here to catch up with you. Be there as soon as I can.
Sorry to take so long, Gordon. Looks like you could have used some help. I won't leave you again, though. Now let's track down Mossman.
Warning. Surveillance
Come on.
detection systems inactive. Remaining stabilization team members, report containment status, please.
Come on.
Attention ground unit. Mission failure will result in permanent off-world assignment.
Great, another security station.
Sacrifice.
All right, Mossman, where are you?
Plan.
Ha! Found her. Ha! Got you now! Uh-oh. Come on, Gordon. We don't want to keep her waiting. Come on, Gordon! Let me seal this door. No turning back now. There she is. Leave it talking to me, Gordon. We may need to get out of here.
Hello? Oh, thank God someone... Alex? Gordon, how did you get in here?
We know all about you and Breen.
What?
You've been a spy for the Combine the whole time.
What are you talking about?
Damn it! Move back, Mossman. We're coming in.
Alex, whatever you may think, I assure you I have worked to protect your father.
Shut up and be glad you're still some use to us. We're going to reconfigure this teleport and get the hell out of here.
You see, we're working to the same end. I've already reprogrammed the modulator to emulate a Zen relay.
That's my father's work you stole.
It's my work, too. And I had to prove to Dr. Breen that your father would be the most valuable member of any research effort going forward.
Enough of your bullshit! Look, Gordon, there's my dad. I'm going to bring him in.
You found Eli?
No thanks to you. Just enter the coordinates for Dr. Kleiner's lab and let's get moving.
But we need access to the teleport platform and we're locked out.
I'll take care of that. Let's get going. Oh my God. You've been working with this thing? For how long?
Never. Until now. I did have a fairly good idea of what to expect.
I'll bet you did. It looks like it's waiting for us.
The Combine uses a peculiar pulse-forming network with a very long rise time. It takes quite a while to recharge.
So you've warmed it up for us. Good. And just in time. Dad, down here! Sorry we took so long. I hope that wasn't too bad for you.
Don't worry about me, sweetheart. Judith! I see they set you free.
Not exactly.
Eli! I was so worried about you.
The coordinates, Dr. Mossman.
So, this is the Combine portal. It's smaller than I imagined.
Hurry up, Mossman! Dr. Kleiner!
Yes, Alex, where are you?
We're in Nova Prospect, and we're running the Zen emulation for the first time. Are you ready for us?
Ready, willing, and fully enabled.
Good. We'll send my dad through first. He's in position for... What's that? Hold on, gotta bring this back down. No! Stop! What are you doing?
I'm sorry, Alex. It's the only
No! Get back!
What's going on,
Dad!
Alex? Judith! What's happening?
Dr. Kleiner, you have to stop them!
Stop who, my dear?
Oh my god! What coordinates are these? Where the hell did she take him? No. Cover me, Gordon. I've got to reset the portal. Okay. God, we made it. But where's Dr. Kleiner? Dr. Kleiner, let us out!
Alex? Gordon? My God, how did you get here? And when?
What's wrong?
My dear, I had given up hope of ever seeing you again.
I was afraid we might not make it either. I think the teleport exploded just as we were porting out.
Indeed, it did. And the repercussions were felt far and wide, but that was over a week ago.
What do you mean? Gordon and I were just there a minute ago.
Fascinating. We seem to have developed a very slow teleport. This suggests an entirely new line of investigation.
A week? Then what have we missed?
A great deal, my dear. The blow you struck at Nova Prospekt was taken as a signal to begin the uprising.
But what about my father?
Well, that is most troubling. According to the Vortigaunts, he is a prisoner at the Citadel.
We've got to get my father out.
Barney has been leading a push with that very aim in mind. And another of your friends arrived several days ago.
Dog, you made it! Good boy.
So there, you see? It's not all hopeless.
I wish I shared your optimism, Doctor.
Doc, come in. Are you there? Hey, Doc, are you there?
Yes, Barney, and I'm no longer alone. Alex and Gordon have just arrived.
Well, man, that's good news. I almost gave you guys up for lost. We're planning to set up a staging area for attacking the Citadel.
Gordon and Dog can head your way. I want to get Dr. Kleiner somewhere safer. Then I'll meet up with you.
I'll take all the help I can get. Aw, crap! Incoming! Go on, get going!
Okay, Gordon, you heard him. I'll catch up with you as soon as I get Dr. Kleiner settled.
Just a minute. I can't leave without Lamar.
Oh, no.
Now, where did she get to?
Go on, Gordon. I'll take care of this. Gordon, take care of yourself out there. Dr. Kleiner, there's really no time.
Well, Gordon Freeman. And about time, too.
refusal to collaborate is simply...
Gordon Freeman, you're here.
Hey down there! Dr. Freeman? Supplies! We're coming with you. If you hear Dr. Freeman, we can finally make some headway. Look out below! We'll help however we can, Doc.
Sure thing, Gordon. You lead the way.
08, Unit Service, Unit remaining Unitization, Jurisdiction 7.
Watch out for the hoppers. They're everywhere. Don't waste the hoppers, Dr. Freeman. We can use them against the
If you can
compound.
get those hoppers up without setting them off, you can plant them wherever you want them. Head crabs!
Suicide. Did the lungfish refuse to breathe air? It did not.
Wait for me, Dr. Freeman. I'll come with you. While I reload. Watch out! Good idea, Dr. Freeman. Hey, everybody, follow Freeman. Whatever you say.
Some have lately called me a collaborator, as if such a term were shameful. What exists in that collaboration? In our current unparalleled enterprise, refusal to collaborate is simply a refusal to insistence.
Dr. Freeman, I'm coming with you. Sorry, Doc.
Unit down at stabilization.
Reload, Dr. Freeman!
Protection team with local vehicle. Unit deserviced. Remaining units contained.
Reload, Dr. Freeman! Response code 3. Anything you say, Doc.
Hey, everybody, follow Freeman. Anything you say, Doc. That door's locked from the other side, Dr. Freeman. Maybe you can find a way around. Looks nasty in there. I think you've got that suit. Open the door. I see you made it through okay. Figured you would. Sorry, Doc.
Good idea, Dr. Freeman.
Freeman? If you were looking for a place to hole up, it's not safe here anymore. They're shelling the hell out of us. Keep moving, Dr. Freeman. I'll send word you're coming and see you up ahead.
What are we going to do?
We'll think of something.
When is it all going to end?
Don't worry.
Please.
It's all right.
You lead the way. Let's go.
It's me. Open the door.
What's the password?
Password. Ow! I'm hurt. Okay, come across.